From the 2010 U.S. Census, we learned that 17.6% of the residents of Florida are 65 or older, 10.5% in Texas are of the same type. If independent samples of 300 Florida residents and 200 Texas residents are selected, and we're looking at the difference in the proportion of elderly residents, our first question is, if the sample sizes are considered large, with a specific rule following later, we want to describe the shape of the sampling distribution. What we know is that if we have large enough samples, then the shape of the distribution for the difference in proportions is normal looking. What is the mean of the distribution of the differences in sample proportions? So the mean, or where we're centered, is how you can think of that, of the difference in the two sample values is going to be at the population value, which is the difference in the two population values. These numbers that were given up here are population values because they're from the census, which is everybody. So this difference would be 0.176 minus 0.015, giving us 0.071. So if we looked at a graph of these sample values, it should be centered at this mean of 0.071. And then the standard error for the difference in the two sample values is P1 times 1 minus P1 over N1 plus P2 times 1 minus P2 over N2 under the square root. And these we're calling the Florida and Texas values. So this would be 0.176 times 1 minus 0.176 divided by that sample size, which is 300. And then 0.105 times 1 minus 0.105 divided by that sample size, which was 200. This turns out to be 0.0309.